How to make a backup code in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create a backup security keys in Roblox. It's fast and simple process, so follow along. So I recommend using a computer and a web browser to access the Roblox website for this. However, you can also use a phone if you access the Roblox website through a web browser. So log into your Roblox account first and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then go to settings. Once the settings page load, go to the security tab, and here you will see the option like two-step verification and at the bottom security keys or backup codes. So security keys act as your backup code, and to enable them, simply toggle the switch over here. Note that the security keys are supported on the web browsers, iPhones, and iPads. You will need a hardware security key or use the device biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition. When you toggle the box, it will verify if you're using a supported web browser, iPhone, or iPad. You need to first go ahead with the two-step verification. So set up the authenticator first so that you can use the two-step verification. And if you see the message that you need to enable the two-step verification first, simply enter your password and click on verify, and then you will receive a QR code that you need to scan to set up an authenticator app. And for the backup codes, simply go ahead and tap on generate. And this will help you generate new backup codes after you go through the two-step verification process. You will be able to generate and store your backup security keys in a safe place. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.